Hey guys, welcome back. So yesterday I talked about order flow, okay, and you can see the move. I think by now you guys should understand what order flow is, and if you don't understand, go on YouTube and you can find a lot of videos that will explain what order flow is. Now something happened yesterday, and if you look at my chart, you see I was able to catch a move yesterday, and in fact I was able to catch it during the FOMC news. Now, as you can see, this move, it's a clean move. The entry was clean, everything about it was clean. Now, what I noticed was around this area here, there was a fair value gap, okay, and what I just had to do was just to take my Fibonacci tool to mark it out, and I knew that at worst here, or at most, price was going to come into the 50% of this fair value gap, and once price hit this 50% or even more, it's going to retrace, okay, and take out these double lows here, all right, these equal lows rather, right here, and probably still retrace to take out this low. So this equal lows was my first target and this was my second target. All right, so now what the price do? Price came, tapped into this 50% immediately. So this is a very precise entry. Immediately price retraced to take out this two, and now this impulsive move was propagated by the news, okay, I'm going to tell you that. But if you actually know how the news affect the market, you can actually use it to trade the market to your benefit. What am I saying? There are two phases that happens during the FOMC news, and I tweeted about this yesterday. The first phase is the distribution phase and the second phase is the redistribution phase. Now, knowing this, I knew market was going in a direction, and the first phase starts when the news starts. So I think the news starts by 2 p.m. EST. My time zone is by 7 p.m. So when that happened, what happened? The distribution occurred and market came to take out it hit my first target, hit my second target immediately. Clean takeout. Like, this is a very clean take profit. In fact, if this was only your target, my first target was only your target, you just put a very good lot size. This is like 2 lot size. I don't how many pips it is this, like very clean takeout. Now the second phase happened, and the second phase always happens 30 minutes after the news starts. So 7:30 my time, what happened was price came back, the redistribution phase occurred, filling out the distribution phase. Now why am I telling you guys this? Is because if you want to trade the FOMC news, this is a pattern that always happens. So let's say you forget about this analysis we did and price tapping into this fair value gap and everything. Let's just say FOMC news is coming up. What you're anticipating is first the distribution phase. Once you see that, immediately once it's 2:30 EST or whatever your time zone is, my time zone is 7, okay, once it's 7:30 my time zone, I just know that there's going to be a redistribution phase, okay. So I'm not trying to catch this first phase, I'm trying to catch the second phase. So what is 7:30, and you can see what is 7:30, what happened? You see now sharp rejection and price moves up to fill up the imbalance. It's that simple.